Hello, I'm Bunny. Today I'm going on a new adventure in the forest. Walking in the forest is so much fun. Everything is green and colorful. Wow, what a beautiful flower. Can I touch it? I wonder where this path leads. Hello, squirrel. Hello, butterfly. You are all so cute. Oh no, I don't know which way to go. Hi, turtle. Can you help me find my home? If I follow these signs, I can get home. Getting lost is scary, but learning new things is so much fun. Finally, I'm home. I'm so happy. Hi, everyone. Let me tell you about today's adventure. Thank you for watching my story. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.